In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect Typeform submissions to your booking calendar. If you want people to book time with you right after they complete your form, this is a simple and effective way to do it. Instead of asking users to look for a separate scheduling link later, you can send them straight to your calendar as soon as they hit submit. That makes the process smoother, reduces drop-off, and helps more people take the next step immediately. To get started, open your Typeform builder for the form you want to update. Once you're inside the builder, go to the settings area and look for the redirect to URL option. This is where you tell Typeform where to send people after they finish the form. If you haven't used this feature before, just take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct form, especially if you manage multiple forms for different purposes. Next, open your booking tool and copy the share URL for your scheduling page. This could be from a platform like Calendly or SavvyCal, or any similar booking tool that gives you a public appointment link. Make sure you copy the correct share link and not an internal admin page, because this is the link your form respondents will be sent to. It's a good idea to quickly test that link in a browser tab before pasting it into Typeform, just to confirm it opens the correct calendar page. After that, go back to Typeform and paste the booking link into the redirect field. This is the key step that connects the end of your form to your scheduling page. Keep in mind that this redirect feature requires a Typeform paid tier, so if you don't see the option available or it isn't working, your current plan may not support it. Once the link is in place, save your changes. This is important because the redirect won't go live until the update is saved properly. After saving, anyone who submits the form will automatically be taken to your booking calendar right away. As a final check, submit a test response yourself to make sure the redirect behaves exactly the way you want. That quick test helps you confirm the user experience is smooth from start to finish. And that's it. You've now set up your Typeform to guide users directly from form submission to calendar booking, creating a faster and more seamless workflow.